Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maaaring mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Kunin niyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So, we have here the Six of Swords, Page of Swords, Temperance, Death card, Seven of Pentacles, the High Priestess, Eight of Pentacles, Five of Swords, and the Queen of Wands. Okay, so may caught in dito, between moving on and waiting. So, gusto na mag-move on, pero parang gusto pa rin niya maghintay for this person na maaaring from the past, or kung hindi man, parang matagalan niya ng gusto itong taong ito, pero kung hindi man naging kayo, hinihintay mo lang siya dahil siya talaga yung ideal person or siya talaga yung gusto ng taong ito, kaya hinihintay niya. And caught in the middle siya parang nagfo-focus siya sa work, pero secretly naghihintay siya. Maring ikaw or siya. Pero parang alakas kasi ng energy na siya ito kasi this person is stalking you. So, nagpapanggap siya na busy siya sa work. Pero, this person is heavily stalking you. Hinihintay ka niya, secretly. So, busy siya, pero hinihintay ka niya. We have bonfire, money, falling star, playing cards, diamond, mirror. Healing crystal bottom card. So, ayan, nagpo-focus siya sa pera financial stability, work, and may nangyari din na iba or maring iba yung taong binili niya noon. Or feeling mo pinaglaruan ka lang nitong taong to. Hindi na, ang lakas kasi ng energy na hindi naging kayo. Parang option, ganun, binitawan na option. Pero, ang lakas kasi ng parang may something sa inyo nitong taong to or a twin flame connection. Kaya ganun na lang. Parang natitrigger. Kaya siya umalis. Natrigger mo yung mga childhood wounds nitong taong to. Kaya siya biglang umiwas. So, kailangan nyo muna mag-heal from this connection para if ever man kayo talaga yung sa huli, kayo talaga. Relationship Harmony by Archangel Raguel. We angels are opening the hearts of everyone involved. Arguments and conflicts are being resolved now. So, itong mga naging conflicts nyo in the past, tinutulungan kayo ng mga archangels para maayos to. Parang it's about second chance. Kung ano ba talaga yung gusto ninyo. Parang it's about decision making. Kailangan nyo mag-desisyon, alamin priorities in life. Ano ba talaga yung gusto ninyo? Or sino ba talaga yung nilalaman ng puso ninyo na gusto nyong i-pursue ngayon? Kasi parang binitawan ka nitong taong to, hindi kanya kayang i-pursue noon. Kumbaga nagustuhan ka lang niya pero hindi kanya pinursu, ganun. And then, everything parang nag-fall apart noong time na umiwas ka na or nag-move on ka na. Pero itong taong to, hinihintay ka pa rin niya. Nagpapaka-busy siya sa trabaho pero iniisip ka rin nito. I love your humor. I hate my pride and ego. Crying over you, feeling lost, feeling betrayed. I want commitment. You're my strength. I'm a liar. Letting you go, walking away. So, ito yung ginawa niya Nag-let go siya, nag-walk away. Pero hindi niya pala kaya. Hindi niya kayang panindigan. Can you forgive me? So, ngayon, this person is asking for your forgiveness. So, akala niya kasi kaya niyang iwasan ka, kaya niyang panindigan itong desisyon niya na mag-let go at mag-walk away sa'yo, pero hindi pala. So, ngayon this person is ayan, crying over you, feeling lost. So, ayan I bury myself in work to forget you. So, nagpapaka-busy siya para kalimutan ka, pero at the same time, this person is still waiting for you. I love you unconditionally. It's time for me to heal now. So, both kayo. I wish things could be different. I want to tell you how I feel. My life is not as together as it seems. I love you. I couldn't let you get close to me, pero hindi pa rin siya makalapit. Or ikaw, parehas. So many things remind me of you. So, hindi kanya makalimutan Kuha tayo ng initials. F. So, parang nag-wish din siya, wish upon a star, na magkaroon ng parang himala. Naghihintay siya ng himala. B, I, L, D, T, K, G, Z ang bottom card. Tingnan natin sa blue card. All strings attached. Balance and understanding. So, parang may na-misinterpret. So, pag-unawa kailangan for the both of you. And may mga kailangan balansehin. May na out of balance. Ganyan. Nag-overthink. Tingnan natin, general signs and messages. June, Taurus. May, Cup is water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Friendly. Number 2, need more signs. High expectations. Full of charisma. Athletic. Mindanao. Very serious and August. February, fire sign Aries, Leo, Sag. Patience please. So, kailangan pa ng mahabang pasensya. Aries, perfect smile. Party animal. Runner card. Kind-hearted. Kasi bigla siyang tumakbo Weird. May other country. Present lover. And very lucky. Nasa ilalim bottom card, killer smile. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.